Are you tired, Rob?
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Are you tired, Rob?
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Are you free?
No, I'm busy.
Is it safe?
No, it's risky.
Is it safe?
No, it's risky.
Will you stay?
No, I'll leave.
Will you stay?
No, I'll leave.
Are you clear?
No, I'm confused.
Are you clear?
No, I'm confused.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please do.
Shall I help you?
Yes, please do.
Is it cold?
No, it's warm.
Is it cold?
No, it's warm.
Shall I call you?
Yes, please call me.
Shall I call you?
Yes, please call me.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy now?
No, I'm free.
Is she tall?
Yes, she's very tall.
Is she tall?
Yes, she's very tall.
Is she kind?
Yes, she's very kind.
Is she kind?
Yes, she's very kind.
Are you sure?
No, I'm doubtful.
Are you sure?
No, I'm doubtful.
Did you pass?
No, I failed.
Did you pass?
No, I failed.
Were you present?
No, I was absent.
Were you present?
No, I was absent.
Did you sleep well?
No, I slept poorly.
Did you sleep well?
No, I slept poorly.
Were you surprised?
Yes, I was shocked.
Were you surprised?
Yes, I was shocked.
Will you join us?
No, I can't join.
Will you join us?
No, I can't join.
Is it broken?
No, it's fine.
Is it broken?
No, it's fine.
Shall we go?
Yes, let's go now.
Shall we go?
Yes, let's go now.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry.
Were you busy?
No, I had free time.
Were you busy?
No, I had free time.
Will you come?
Yes, I'll come soon.
Will you come?
Yes, I'll come soon.
Are you awake?
No, I'm still sleepy.
Are you awake?
No, I'm still sleepy.
Shall we start?
Yes, let's start now.
Shall we start?
Yes, let's start now.
Is it ready?
No, it's not ready yet.
Is it ready?
No, it's not ready yet.
Is it far?
Yes, it's quite far.
Is it far?
Yes, it's quite far.
Did you finish?
Yes, I finished it.
Did you finish?
Yes, I finished it.
Were you tired?
Yes, I was very tired.
Were you tired?
Yes, I was very tired.
Will you help?
No, I'm busy now.
Will you help?
No, I'm busy now.
Are you happy?
Yes, I feel happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I feel happy.
Are we late?
No, we're on time.
Are we late?
No, we're on time.
Is he strong?
No, he's weak.
Is he strong?
No, he's weak.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready now.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready now.
Did you hear?
No, I didn't hear it.
Did you hear?
No, I didn't hear it.
Are you confident?
No, I'm nervous.